give him a little bit of room here to work. There you see Christopher Bell on the inside of Daniel down in the corner.
Logano playing like a trapeze spotter back there, just making sure if anybody gets close, he can help protect.
Roles reversed to last year, right? Last year, Logano was racing for the championship, and Blaney played that role, trying to help Joey out.
Multiple lines around this racetrack, and they're being searched out early.
Blaney had a similar starting position last week at Martinsville, and over the period of the first run, drove through the top 10. Once this sort of settles out, this battle between Christopher Bell and the 99, I'm curious to see what the 12 can do.
Still door to door as Bell trying to clear that 99, but can't do it. Now Blaney looks in between them.
Christopher's clear. Will he drive up in front of the 99? He does.
Now Suarez looks to the inside of Bell.
All these drivers are going to run so many different lines. You see Bell sort of in the middle of the two cars in front of him, trying to find clean air for the nose of that car. Here he tries to run just slightly lower than the 17 in front of him. This racetrack provides so many lines for these drivers to be able to find that clean air and keep those cars working.
On lap 7, we're already seeing drivers on the apron, as well as drivers up probably 3-4 lanes higher in turns 1 and 2. Toyota on board of Christopher Bell giving us this view.
Even though it is wide, Rick, it still is difficult to make the pass on the inside. We watched in the Xfinity race last night, a lot of cars running side by side and trying to make passes. They were hard to make. So as the drivers on the outside line learn more about the outside line, learn more about its grip, and gain more confidence, put more rubber down out there, I expect it to be even more difficult to make passes on the inside.
Here Christopher Bell tries to get by Kyle Busch. Take that spot away.
And you see the 41 of Priest jump to the outside of the 17 there. Going to see that a lot as this race goes on. Drivers trying to get on the right rear quarter panel. And he's going to probably complete this pass.
Priest into turn 3. And can't get down in front of that 17 of Buscher. But now,
yeah, they'll be able to carry momentum on corner exit, Rick. That's really the advantage in running the top lane, is that it's not about corner entry speed, it's about the speed you can carry through the middle and exit, and that's why it's so difficult making that pass on the bottom. You see right here, Kyle Busch right alongside Blaney will actually beat him down the front straightaway, carry a little more speed. It makes Blaney have to actually overdrive the corner, try to slide up in front of Busch. That's exactly what he did.
So Blaney able to clear Busch there. And again, just in front of him is Christopher Bell. Bell made the comment earlier to us that just getting to this race was a very difficult task.
Yeah, the challenge of reaching the championship four is a race in itself. To be able to execute 3 rounds of the playoffs, which are 3 races at a time, and then have the point reset where, you know, if you don't have the regular season that you need, you go back below the cutoff line. So, you know, it really is a race in its own being, trying to make the Final Four.
And he's made it back-to-back years. He was here a year ago and wasn't able to close out the deal as Logano was able to win the championship last year. Dave.
Rick, in the pre-race, you guys talked about how the cars seem to be the best in practice, but not, or one of the best in practice, but not that great in qualifying. Adam Stevens' crew chief was not